So let's see how this large diameter SharkBite fitting and pipe goes together. We have a piece of pipe, we deburr it with the new deburr tool, takes the burr off from the outside. This is the old tool, I don't like it that much, I like the new one. I mark the insertion depth. This is how deep it should go inside the fitting. Fitting is already installed. Now we know it's all the way in. If we need to remove it for whatever reason, we have the release clip. Release clip goes on. Turn it all the way to the right, and then with some elbow grease we can remove the pipe. This does not work with any other fitting system. I'm not perfect, I make mistakes. If I cut the pipe too short, the pipe crimped in or soldered in, it's a pain in the butt to repair it. With this, you just pull it out, that's it. So, remove the ring, push the fitting in. We got a 90, let's mark it. Although with experience you can feel it when it's all the way in, but you know, follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Insert it all the way. It's in and it moves. So you need to make any adjustments. It's pretty simple. I have this pipe already soldered. Deburr. Sand it up. Mark. Insertion depth mark. Take the 90, turn it when it's comfortable. Insert the pipe. Oh, the whole tank is coming towards me. And that's it. And now I can keep working whatever direction I need it, whatever angle. It maintains the seal perfectly, and yet it's flexible. So no other fitting system offers this. There is different tools for different problems. For us, SharkBite really works in situations where you need flexibility, you need quick insertion, quick installation. Nothing beats the Shark, and the warranty is unparalleled. So we have no problem using their fittings.